Splash, splash, the waves do play. The water animal parades today. Fish are swimming side by side, tails and fins that twist and glide. Here comes Dolly the dolphin, sleek and bright, jumping high with pure delight. Next to Sammy the seal with a ball on his nose, balancing it well, oh there he goes. Krabby the crab goes clickety-clack, waving his claws, no looking back. Tina the turtle moves nice and slow, where's she off to we don't know. Octy the octopus, waving 8 arms, shows off her dance with watery charms. Wally the whale sings deep and strong, his bubbly tune goes all day long. So come along, don't be afraid, join the water animal parade. We laugh and sing as the sea tide slides, with Rhythmic Rhymes for Kids joy rides.